Happy New Year and welcome to this brief video recap of the year's M&A activity. To begin, 2022 was one of the busiest years our firm has ever had. We completed 10 transactions for our clients, which included buyers and sellers in RevCycle, healthcare IT, and the ARM industries. Our transactions included tech and service deals and touched many offerings, including analytics, coding, CDI, AI and NLP, consulting, credentialing, billing, collections, and many other areas. The segments and the delivery settings in those deals ranged from acute care to behavioral health to EMS, urgent care, and emergency rooms, among many others. As far as market level data, in the RCM and HCIT segments, we're still finalizing our data for the year, but preliminary deal value shows about $100 billion, which is way up from 2021, which was only $35 billion. Partly to blame for that, a lot of billion-dollar-plus transactions that lifted that deal value to its largest level in many years, despite the lowest number of deals happening since 2016. So the number of deals was about 180. 90% of those were with sellers that had revenues under 100 million, which is pretty typical in the market. The other 10% of those were what we call mega deals. Deals like Microsoft acquiring Nuance for about $20 billion, R1 acquiring CloudMed for a little over $4 billion. And while buyers are still closing deals, they're really a lot more selective about which deals they pursue. Similarly, consolidation plays are occurring in these niches, also driving some of this activity. Niches like third-party liability and complex claims, behavioral RCM, and others. In terms of the most active offerings to trade hands this year, those included billing, consulting, and coding on the services side, and then on the tech side, areas like analytics, scheduling and communications, and again, billing. So how do we think 2023 is going to shake out? Well, that's the magic question. Many wonder if the higher cost of capital and the weaker stock market will impact M&A activity, and we think it will. In fact, we think it already has. At least in the second half of 2022 it did, but the impact won't be as heavy in the lower end of the middle market, where buyers can use less leverage to complete their deals. We also expect to see a major driver of M&A activity to be PE-backed firms, those seeking add-on acquisitions and pursuing targeted consolidations. And lastly, we expect to see some large RCM deals come to market. They've been waiting, and we think the first half of 2023 is when we'll see them in the market, in fact. And there you have it, a quick recap of some of the year's M&A highlights. Please feel free to reach out to any of us at Greenberg Advisors to discuss your M&A growth and exit plans. It would be great to hear from you. And as usual, we'll publish our M&A update for RCM and HCIT as well as ARM in the next month or so, which will include many more details and a lot more analysis. Until then, thank you very much. All the best for a great 2023.